how to fix WhatsApp verification code not received problem. First up, open up the control center by swiping on the top right corner and then make sure if you have any Bluetooth device connected. If you have any devices connected, make sure the Bluetooth is turned off. Also make sure if you have a secured Wi-Fi connection. If not, you can also use the cellular data option. The second option is to go to your settings and click on cellular and then cellular data options. Here, see if you have low data mode turned on. If you have it turned on, turn it off and then go back to the settings page. Scroll down and look for the phone option. Here, look for the blocked contacts, and if you have any contacts that must not be blocked, just swipe right on the contact and then click on unblock. The next thing you can look for is to go to your settings page once again, and in general, scroll to the bottom and click on shutdown. Shut down your phone and restart after a few minutes. If the problem is still persisting, go to your Safari and search of WhatsApp support. Here, click on the first link and you will find a form where you can enter your message and some details and tell about your problem. And then WhatsApp will contact you back again, or your problem will automatically be solved in a few days. And this is how you can easily fix the problem of WhatsApp verification code not being received. We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos.